Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create flashcards in Notion in just a few simple steps. First, click New Page in the sidebar on the left, which opens a blank untitled page in the main editor area. Click into the title area at the top and type Flashcards as your page name. The title updates as you type and saves automatically. Now click into the body of the page and type a / to open the block menu. A menu appears with all available block types. Type TOG to filter the menu, then click Toggle Heading 1 from the results. This creates a collapsible block that hides your answer until you click to reveal it. The toggle block appears with a heading field and a collapsible body beneath it. Type your question as the toggle heading. For this example, I'm typing, "What is the capital of France?" This is what you'll see when the answer is hidden. Click inside the toggle body where it says Empty Toggle and type your answer, in this case, Paris. The answer sits inside the collapsible section. Click the toggle arrow on the left to collapse it, which hides the answer from view. You'll see just the question with a closed arrow beside it. Your first flashcards is now complete. The question is visible, and clicking the arrow reveals or hides the answer whenever you want to test yourself. You can add as many flashcards as you need by pressing Enter after a collapsed toggle and inserting another toggle block the same way. If you want to test yourself, collapse all your toggles so only the questions are visible, then click each arrow to check your answer. You can also nest toggles inside each other if you want multi-level reveals, like a hint before the full answer. And that's how to create flashcards in Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.